Hello everyone and welcome to a new trading day. I'm John Anderson. Thank you for joining me at Profitable Day Trading. We're going to trade the Nasdaq future. Before continuing, I want to introduce you to Mr. Strategy.
Hello everyone.
Today is March 17, 2023.
Let's see what the market is doing. Remember, you don't have to do anything until the market opens. Be patient and wait.
Well, let's wait until the market opens.
The market is open.
Well, now the market is open. What should I do?
You have to wait until the market define its direction.
Okay, perfect. Let's wait. It doesn't know what to do. It could go up or it could go down. Let's wait.
Finished. Cancel all open orders. We are done for today. Well, since the market was a bit complicated, I'm going to tell you a joke to cheer you up. How do robots get to work? They motor. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. We're done for today. Let's check the profit chart. Well, since we weren't able to enter the market today, the profitability chart stays the same as yesterday. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Well, that's it. See you tomorrow and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up and hit the bell button so you never miss any video.